hindi naman kasi ako pang kilig-kilig. Oo. Siguro ako pa yung taga-buyo ng kilig. I feel amazing because yung mga security guard na nami-meet ko sa mga building when I enter, "Sir, di ko na kayo nakikita sa TV ah." Ha? Ganun ba? Okay, okay. Para sabi ko, it's a sign. But you know, I love everybody here. I've worked with almost everyone from the old-timers. You know, wait, bakit ka nag-react sa old-timer? Yeah, yung mga from the cameramen, nakatrabaho ko from before. You know, I love the working environment here. Kasi hindi ko in-account yung years. Pero when I counted the years, parang may, kasi yung mga tao na nagtatag sa akin sa mga posts nila sa The Tim Yap Show, o yung mga ibang sa mga S-Files or Party Pilipinas, when I see my colleagues, you know, when I see si Jillian, malaki na pala si Jillian ngayon. Siyempre nakikita ko dati, bata pa siya. You know, I grew up with them also, somehow, because hindi naman ako nawala eh. I've always been in the periphery of the entertainment industry, whether as a host in the GMA Gala, or in the events that the Sparkle artists go to. Ako yung MC, ako yung host, ako yung producer, ako yung gumawa ng event. Andyan ako sa paligid nila, sa karaoke room, sa lahat ng banda. But on TV, I haven't been so visible. So, ito na yung sagot ko sa mga security guards, sa mga police na mahuhuli pagka sir, ganyan. But I'm so touched and humbled. I balance it with equal amounts of love and passion. I start my businesses and my any endeavor, any venture with, do I love this? Am I passionate about it? Because if I am, then the honesty, the money comes, it follows. Abundance is there when you really think abundantly. I balance it because somehow things fall into place. Kung gusto, may paraan. Kung ayaw, lagi may dahilan. Alam mo, pareho, all of the above. Kasi what people don't know is I'm an early riser. Pero late naman eh. But I really wake up early. Kasi pagka may sunrise na, nagigising na talaga ako. So, you know, kaya nga sabi ko, gusto mo ng hirit? Nagugulat sila, ikaw, kaya mo magmamag ng hirit? Ako, oo, kahit na even if I'm out, even at the time when I was actively clubbing and building and putting up clubs, I was awake because I was taking my masters. At 7 o'clock, nandun ako sa campus. Mga ganon. So, again, I am very open and excited to host again because that's really my passion. But again, it depends on a lot of things eh. Uso ba ngayon? Andun ba yung tamang timing? Ito ba yung, meron ba tayong, yung gano'n eh, marami siyang factors. But I am very versatile and kasi pagka-hosting, ang highlight yung subject, di ba? You are just asking the right questions, like how you are doing it. That's really what a host is. Kung host na sa bahay mo, you just make them feel at home. Diba? So, kung ano man ang kwarto ng bahay mo, kung ang kwarto mo karaoke room, kung ang kwarto mo master's bedroom, kung ang kwarto mo workout room, yun yung dun nakahulma yung hosting. Diba? So, I'm open to all. I love pressure right now. Kasi for me, pressure is something that really is something that motivates you. You need to perform. Perform better if there's pressure. You know, I always view pressure as something that can make you do things better. So hindi ako natatakot sa pressure. And my influence, I know that I choose to use it for the greater good. You know, so that's why I do a lot of charity. I do a lot of things that I use it not for vanity. People might think that this industry is vain, but you know, I like to. Another favorite word of mine is empowerment. Empowerment, empowerment. But reverse it. Me empowerment, your own selves, diba? Self-love. Then reverse the M, it's we empowerment. Na parang we. Parang ganun. So, you know, it all goes together. Well, kasi hindi naman kasi ako pang kilig-kilig. Oo. Siguro ako pa yung taga-buyo ng kilig. Parang gano'n, oo. Again, I see so many talented and very intense actors. You know, ang daming magagaling. I see the work of Bianca. I see the work of Miguel and Felix. They're such amazing actors. Ayan, sila Ruru, lahat. Kasi ngayon hasa na sila eh. You know, and I love more than who I want to work with. I love seeing the growth of these people through Sparkle and how Sparkle has nurtured them, given them breaks.